It's a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, power tilting steering column, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.